still use even though they have this plant already bolted, and then plant tomatoes here. So I have this, and then I'll harvest the rest. Beautiful. Are yummy. We can pickle this too. Let me show you the watcher that I harvested from the garden. Look at this. So I put water, and then so it continues to grow here, and then the flowers too. And I cut some of the flowers and put them on the base like this one. This is still growing in the water, but I replace the water every day. So this is, I think, the third day here inside the house. Just waiting for the tomato to, just waiting for the eggplant to cook. And maybe I'll add cilantro, so it has like a pop of green. Since right now, it's nice when you eat something that is like colorful. Right now it's a little dull. It's just like chicken and eggplant. I will add the tomatoes, the cherry tomatoes, and then I'll add something green, maybe cilantro. Either cilantro or green onions. And cilantro is bolting, so maybe I'll use that one. Let's go to the garden in a little bit. Let's harvest the cilantro. Like this. Oh, it's actually drizzling already. Smells good. Here's my cilantro harvest from this plant. It's so cold outside. Here's my cilantro harvest. It's so fragrant. To add the tomatoes, the cherry tomatoes. Let's add paprika to make it like Spanish flavor. And I'm using 4 eggs on this recipe. Just 4 eggs. I need milk. Let's add like milk. Let's add salt and black peppercorns. Here's our frittata, more with a Spanish twist, but it has chicken and Italian eggplant and then tomatoes. And now let's add the let's like distribute the tomatoes so they look pretty. Let's add the eggs. I have some cilantro here. And then let's add the cilantro. Beautiful, right? Now let's make coffee. I need to cook this in the oven so the top gets cooked. Otherwise, it won't be cooked. It's just the bottom. put this in the oven. Cooking in the oven. The frittata is ready. Here you go. I am using the vegetables that I harvested from the garden, but let me pick the flowers first. They have bolted already. I just put water. Look at the beautiful flowers. I have the vase here. And then this one. They have like stronger flavor when they are like after they bolted, but this is soup, so it's fine. There you go. I have these beautiful flowers from the bok choy that have bolted. I'll use this branch here. Let me cut them. So I'm kind of like harvesting from this like vase. And then this one, you have to put water so they don't like wilt if you don't use them right away, because I harvested a lot. I harvested some arugula too. I'll harvest the leaves of this arugula, and then maybe we can saute this or freeze. And if we need arugula, we have arugula. Here's our arugula harvest, and also what else? Collard greens. I also harvested collard greens. This is collard greens and it's also bolting, so I will harvest this. Same here, there are more on the other side. I cooked the collard greens first, and then husband used the arugula on his soup. So I think it's almost enough. Then the rest I'll cook tomorrow. I'll saute in garlic tomorrow. It should be fine. So here's what I will be using for the soup, for this sausage, beans, and vegetable soup. Vegetables from the backyard garden. So this is like beans. It has beans, tomatoes, sausage, and vegetables. And here's the soup. It has beans, cannellini, and dark red kidney beans, and then sausage, tomatoes, and leafy greens. Let's harvest onion. It's a beautiful day today. Look at our lemons. Oh my gosh, this rose is a lot of rose buds. I'll show you the flowers here. This is our wild flower section. There are just buds, but this one has bloomed. And then these are just starting to bloom. This one too. There are a lot of buds. This is beautiful. Let's harvest our onions for our salted eggs. And then let's pick some flowers too. I'll get these flowers for our vase. We have this citronelle too. And plantain. And onions. And here's what I prepared for our Sunday brunch. It's a beautiful day today. What are we having, Josh, for our Sunday brunch?
We're having plantain, rice. This is some cheese and tomatoes.
Salted egg and
Salted eggs and tomatoes. Strawberries and longanisa.
Yes, chorizo de Cebu. And we have gorgeous flowers from the backyard garden, and then the green onions are also from the backyard garden. We went to the church this morning, and then when we got home, I prepared the Sunday brunch. Oh, don't spill that. Cheers.
Cheers. Eat the rice first, Andrew.
Tastes good.
Oh, eat the rice first, Andrew.
We are here at the Commons. We're having dinner at King's Fish House.
Marmalade is still open.
Marmalade, there's marmalade. There's the theater. Jenny's ice cream. Barnes and Noble. Are here at King's Fish House. In Calabasas, they have live lobster.
What is the first one, Josh?
The first one is Henderson Bay.
Henderson Bay. We'll keep on going with the oysters. Henderson Bay. Oh, the Henderson Bay is big. No,
Pacific.
is usually big.
Yeah.
East Coast is like smaller. East Coast oysters are usually smaller. Cultural things.
This one kind of tastes like sushi.
Like sushi? Josh, how is it, Daddy? Yummy? Josh?
Briny.
Briny. What are you having, Josh?
Wild Pacific yellowfin tuna.
This is the Wild Pacific Yellowfin Tuna. How's your mac and cheese, Josh? Actually, the reason why we're here is because Josh wanted to eat their mac and cheese. This is the only mac and cheese that Josh eats.
And Water Grill, but it's the same company.
And Water Grill, yeah, but Water Grill is also from the same company. So we're having chupino. I think they divided it into two. This is chupino. This is the rainbow roll. I'm having pleasant bay. Ginger. I need mignonette.
What are you having, Mommy?
Pleasant bay.
And what did you put on it?
Mignonette.
Okay. How is it?
Very yummy.
Okay. How's the texture?
What is the texture?
It's like
The other pie. Good too. But
Hollywood is better.
the meat is plump.
Mm.
It's not as silky as
Hollywood. Oh my gosh, it's so cold.